To add a live countdown of your live stream schedule on your Twitch panels, head on over to your page. From your page, you're going to scroll over to the About section, and then you're going to click on the Edit Panels. Scrolling down, you're going to want to find the Extension Manager. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a new page. What you're going to do is head on over to Discovery. Inside Discovery, you're going to search for Streamlabs Stream Schedule and Countdown, and we're going to click Enter. Once you're here, you're going to select the Streamlabs Stream Schedule and Countdown and click on Install. And this pop-up is going to show up and you're going to click on Configure. Once you're here on the Configure, you have the options to select which days you're going to be live streaming, and you can select multiple times that you're going to be streaming in one day. So this is my schedule. I stream on a Monday and a Thursday. I know, I only stream twice a week. So here I actually stream 7 p.m. at GMT +2, your boy here coming at you from south of the Africa. But as an example of showing that you can stream multiple times a day, let's say you do that on a Saturday. So you're going to head on over here and select on the Saturday, and let's say that you start your first stream at 9 a.m. So we're going to come over here and we're going to select 0900. And then we're going to click on the add button. On this add button, we're going to say that we stream a second time at 7 p.m. Once you've done that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to select our time zone, and this is going to obviously vary depending on where in the world you are. Hey, let me know down in the comments, where are you watching this video from? Once you've selected your time zone, select Save Settings. And you can just head on over here to the top right and hit this nice X button. Once you're here, we're going to head back over to our channel. Once you're back on your channel, head on over to the About section, scroll down until you see the Edit Panels, click on that, and then what you're going to do is you're actually going to be adding it as a panel to, let's call it the feed. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and I'm going to say Extension Panel, and then I'm going to click over here on Extension Manager. Once I'm in this Extension Manager, I'm going to click on this one, make sure that it's activated, and I'm going to set it as panel number 1, high priority. And I'm going to click on Done. Once it's there, it should actually be displaying on your channel page now. And boom, there you have it. You now have a live countdown of when you're going online again on Twitch, and it'll show this exact time to your time zone. So let's say you are at Pacific time, it'll convert my 7 p.m. GMT +2 to your Pacific time, and that would probably be maybe 9 a.m. when I'm live at my time at 7 p.m. Just a bit of a side note is that the image in the background is going to be your Twitch profile picture, so you can't really customize that right there. So as you change your Twitch profile photo, it'll change the image in the background here. Let's say you need to edit it quickly, you can click on Edit Panel and head on over here to Configure. Click on Configure, and over here, let's say I need deselect Saturdays because I don't stream on Saturdays. I'll untick that. I'll then scroll down and make sure that I click on the Save Settings. And then I'll click on the X button, and then I'll click on this edit here, and it should have updated. And then you have actually on Mondays and Thursdays 7 p.m. GMT +2. Twitch panels is an amazing opportunity for you to stand out and to showcase your channel branding and your values and who you are. So if you're interested in knowing a bit more about Twitch panels, and if you enjoyed this, head on over to my other video, which is everything you need to know about Twitch panels with all your questions answered. I'll see you guys there. Brush my teeth up.